I'm Dave Reynolds from Penrite Racing. I'm a supercar driver and my biggest achievement was winning the 2017 Bathurst. And today we are testing the DBA products against the OEM products. DBA is Australia's #1 choice in braking and has over 40 years of braking experience. DBA has Australia's leading range of brake rotors and pads for all makes and models and exports to over 30 countries. They cover over 97% of the Australian car park, covering European brands such as Volkswagen, Audi, BMW, Mercedes, Porsche and more. Today we'll be driving 2 track-tuned Volkswagen Polos, one with OE brakes and one equipped with DBA performance rotors and performance brake pads. When looking for replacement brake rotors and pads, you don't need OE or a European name. DBA offers better braking solutions with direct replacement products and no modifications required. Now let's go have some fun and test these brakes. Brakes really are the most important part of the car. Most young kids, they hot their engine up, you know, they get the big tyres, the cool looking stuff, all the power in the world, but they forget about upgrading their brakes, which is the most paramount thing on a car to save your life. What you notice straight away is it just doesn't have the same bite, same response in the brake pedal. There's definitely fades straight away. You can feel it. You have to use more pedal pressure. It's more ABS because it's not stopping. You know, it's not. You know, for safety and repetitive stopping, this is horrible. You can hear all the ABS kick in. It doesn't really doesn't like braking, this car. With the DBA rotor and pad, you can really feel the car bite down hard into the road, and it really gives you the maximum sort of brake feel and modulation and retardation you need. It stops really good. He's better feel than the other car. Good bite. Yeah. I haven't felt brake fade at all yet. It's weird. It's normally after a couple of laps you'd be half shitting yourself, like when are these brakes going to start to work, and it hasn't actually happened yet. So. Yeah, brakes work pretty good actually. So normally by now, after so many laps, we'd start to see like heaps of brake fade in a standard road car. But with the DBA system, you hardly get any brake fade whatsoever. It can repetitively keep braking and give you that trust that you need in a car. At the Mayne test, we did 15 stops at 100 k's an hour, and we found that the braking consistency and fade and the relative bite and the stopping distance was far greater on the DBA package. So today we tested 2 different types of brake packages. We tested the OEM standard car and we tested the performance package from the DBA. We did a range of tests on track, and we did 15 stops from 100 k's an hour and tested their relative stopping power, their consistency, and the distance they stopped. And we found that the DBA package exceeded all our expectations. It stopped much quicker and much more consistent. DBA does Euro brakes better.